again. So in the last section we have seen how to create pandas data frame, but today we'll see how to select rows and columns from the data frame. So our data frame is ready. So this is our data frame superstore df5. Now you see the df5 is there, and if you want to know that column structure and info, so you have to put the info like this dot info, and it will show that all the column names and there how many records are there and their column type. And if you want to put only limited columns, sorry, limited rows, you can do like this way dot head. You want to check the first 10 rows. So this way you can select the first 10 rows or maybe 5 rows. Okay. And also if you want to see the last 5 rows, so df5.tail, and this way, and tail also you can assign. So let's say 5 4 data set. And now we have to select the that specific rows. So that way what you need to do, df5 dot ilog. So ilog, that means there is two options, ilog and log. So ilog means index locations. So if I put that index locations, and if I put 1 3 1, now you see first data records has come. But if I put then 2, it has actually sliced or that on cell. But if I want to put multiple, then we need to put the double bracket put into. So now you can 7, you can 9. So now you see only that 1 2 7 9 record has come, and then you can select. But if you want to select the range from like 10 to 20, so how you will do? So df5, then I lock, then 10 to 10 clone 20. And if I print, you see only 10 to 20 records has come. Okay, so in this way you can select the specific any rows or a range of rows. Now we are coming to the column, how to select a column. So for creating columns, selecting columns, what you need to do, you need to df dot that lock, and then what you need to do, we put the colon, and we need to put the column name here. Okay, so column name, if I put here, so this is a shift mode and shift mode. Now you see, okay, sorry, we have not closed. So shift mode, then the segment state country, I want to put it segment state country, and then sales, then profit, like this you can. Now you see you can select all these things, all these column. But if you want to take the range of the column, so how can you do? So again we will do df5.log, then column, then I'll put like this from segment to sales, segment to sales. So now you see that all that from segment to sales, sorry, you can do from region, sorry, or you can do from region to sales or region to, let's say, subcategory. Okay, so another way also you can select the column name. So how you will do, so df5 dot not in log, like this way, So if I want to select columns, so like product ID, product ID, category, state, profit. Now you see that we sorry, the data has been showing. So we have selected the column. So in this way, in the multiple way, we can select rows and columns from a pandas data frame.